Remember we were talking about these crazy displays that are popping up in cars? That's the new competition. It's like the home theater once upon a time. How big is your TV? Well, now it's how big is your TV in your car. And it's not a TV. It's just a display because who watches TV? And the latest to join the giant screen party, of course, the last time we were talking about the new Escalade, where they're going to have a 38-inch display, but it's going to be in the wide format from the dash moving all the way over. Mercedes with the S-Class, that's their top-of-the-line luxury vehicle. They're going to go more in a direction of Tesla and others with the portrait-style large display. And if you scroll down, you can give people a glance. Look at the size of that display in there. And it's in conjunction with a secondary large landscape display that lives in the dash behind the steering wheel. This is tremendous display real estate going on here. Now, do you feel, Will, that it could in any way distract you? All these displays.
No, I don't think so.
No.
If it has utility on everything.
Yeah.
It's not playing like.
What about the positioning of this central display here? What about the positioning of that? It's got an angle to it, but does it feel like it's encroaching at all? Do you feel encroached upon?
No, not for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I feel like it's.
This is a difficult image to analyze because someone has like moved some blankets out of the way. It's
a lot of blankets.
because they try to protect it, right? Yeah. I don't even know. Are we supposed to see this image? Maybe it's leaked. Car scoops. Leaked, intentionally leaked. Who knows these days? 2020. But they had to move some of these things that were covering the various elements. So you can't tell how it all fits together. And it's still obviously prototype stages. So I'm sure the fit and finish will change a little bit. But nonetheless, it's coming into the modern era with the S-Class. And this is important. Increasingly, these interiors are about technology. They're about displays. Who knows? Maybe you see some new autonomous features in there. Mm-hmm. And now they're going to have to also compete on the multimedia because we did the previous story about how Disney Plus is coming into the cabin of Teslas. So it's not enough to have the big display. You got to have these options on it now, too. Mm-hmm. Granted, in the case of the Tesla, the multimedia makes a little more sense because you're at the charge station.
Right.
And you got 20 minutes to kill, half an hour. With the gas-powered vehicle, I don't know when you're enjoying this. You're driving. But who knows? Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a road trip scenario. Maybe you pull over to the side. I don't know. Maybe you like to eat fast food in your S-Class. Yep. Watch some Disney Plus.
Taco Bell and...
Yeah, Taco Bell and Disney Plus. Maybe that's the way you live in your S-Class. Guy like you. I don't know. 2020.
I would.
I already like the feeling of 2020.
You do?
Well, because I had the whole 2019 thing for a year.
It had a ring to it.
You liked it?
Yeah.
But 2020?
2020.
Whoo! I mean, it's the show. It's always been a show. The vision joke, you made it. Others have made it. Everyone's made it. But just 2020. That sounds way more futuristic than 2019.
Yes.
It sounds 1 year more futuristic than 2019. I'm going to enjoy it.